Hello, my name is Alina, Iron Mechanics Company. Now I will show you how to operate the self-propelled ground screw machine Cougar 7000. You will see the entire process through the starting the engine to installing the ground screw. Before each start, you need to check few moments. Hydraulic fluid in the hydraulic system. The capacity of this tank is 40 liters. Level of gasoline. You need to use an unleaded gasoline with an octane number over 86. Engine oil using dipstick. And don't forget to turn on a battery. The machine is mounted on a track chassis. Before moving the machine, check that the flow regulator isn't in a neutral position. In this case, the machine won't go. If you set up 4 or 5, the speed of the machine is slow, and if you are going to install a ground screw, you need to set up 10. The operator controls both movement and screw pile rotation from the main panel. Now we are ready to start the engine. According to safety regulations, never walk under the boom. Also pay attention, you need to follow our instructions from the user manual. In this case, our self-propelled ground screw machine will serve you many years. It was Alina, Iron Mechanics. Thank you for watching.